I hope you guys ate this morning. If you guys don't know, Crypto Cam is a fucking sniper. Literally, I called this out so many times in the videos, and I hope you guys made some money. I hope you guys followed my lead. We're up 600% as we're speaking right now. It's crazy. I took all my profits, I put them into my next play that I'm about to talk about in this video. Guys, I'm so hyped. I just love getting these messages that I helped you make some money. And if I did, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you're new to the channel, subscribe if you absolutely love money, because that's all I post is stuff like this. Literally just made 600%, and I've been calling this out for weeks, and this is my next play. So this is a huge video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. What we're talking about today is Hokk. Now, if you guys haven't heard any news about what's about to happen, basically I've been talking about in my last video that I did on Hokk. It's about to get listed on Whitebit. We have an official confirmed release date, and it's May 11th. Now, what I just did is I took all my profits out of SHIB and I threw them into Hokk. The reason why I did that was because I believe that once we do this on Hokk, once it comes May 11th, that we're gonna absolutely moon like 10 to 20x. I really do believe that. So same way I thought about SHIB, same way I thought about Safe Moon, all these that I've been calling out for weeks, I'm getting that same feeling, and this is just an exclusive for you guys because you guys are so supportive of me and I love you guys so much. And I just want to make this really quick video just explaining that yes, I believe we have another play on our hands. Hokk is about to go stupid. Stop putting your money in Doge. It's not worth any. Put your money into stuff that actually has fundamentals and a project behind it. Hokk has a new wallet coming out. Hokk has a new everything coming out, dude. App. It's gonna be crazy, bro, and I just can't wait. So Shiba just got released on crypto.com. I think that Hokk will follow that lead once it starts mooning a little bit more. I called it out last night on my Instagram, and I said you guys have to get in at 30%. Now we're up like 115, I believe, right now. So guys, I believe we're about to moon really big. Me and my friends have been talking about it for a minute. Hokk is the next play. Basically, you download Trust Wallet at crypto.com. You buy Ethereum off crypto.com and then transfer it to your Trust Wallet. And then basically after that, you just swap it on Uniswap and then you're good to go. So I hope that clears some things up, guys. I love you so much. It's just really excited making you guys some money. So I'm sure you can see that I'm a little bit hyped today. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're new and you love money, and leave a like on the video. Follow me on Instagram, and check out my Discord group chat down below where I give all my plays, entries, and exits and stuff like that. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.